Alright boys, we're back at the 100 Creek headquarters. We got lots of shit going on today. We got parts everywhere.
There is fucking shit everywhere. I don't even know where to start. We got so much going on today. We're gonna build ourselves a plow frame. We got the harrow going on. We're gonna make our own seeder. There's gonna be some shit going on today here. We got a cameraman, so now you can really see the shenanigans that we're about to get into here.
And the caddy's painted. It's now
And we got a beautiful blue caddy. We got our wiring all set up here. We got our hazard lights because it won't fit on the trailer. We're gonna have to drive down the road here. We got that going. We got our floodlight going. Where's the switch? Get back there. Show them that floodlight. We got an amateur cameraman. I've got.
That's our. Well, look at him trained up.
Oh fuck! This is gonna be a busy fucking day.
It is.
Let's drop this cultivator down and we'll start working on the plow bracket.
Being actually blue again. Look at the pins again.
Oh yeah, go there. There we go. That would be correct. That is a nail. I don't have all this fancy connection shit.
Cotter pins are overrated.
Cotter pins are overrated. Use a nail. It's a strip nail though. It's a galvanized. You had to hammer it in. It ain't coming out. Holy fuck! Man. And now I have my seventh time. Just gotta cut it apart. I hope I wasn't a good welder that day. Gotta get my headdress on. I mean...
We can just chop it there and chop it there and make it work.
Yeah, probably. I'll just... Yeah, we got that, and then we'll get this arm out.
We got a safety chains for the road.
And a safety chains for the boat around. You know, I buy fluorescent extension cords so I don't lose them. Oh, it's hiding behind our camera guy.
Where you go, man?
Fuck's sakes. Buy bright cords, they said. You'll be able to find them. You know, you make a better door than a window.
Fucking engineers.
There we go. We got another time. There.
Oh, it's ready.
Now we got a full cultivator. Oh, that's backwards. That's better. Now we got a full cultivator.
Pretty close to the same way there.
It's perfect!
Fucking right.
Maybe I am gonna have to turbo wheel horse. Because fuck, I don't know how that's gonna work.
Guess we'll find out. We'll have to make a hitch. We'll just hook the 316 up to the wheelbase. Take the tractor.
That's a good idea. I like that. I like that idea.
Lots of people.
Yeah, what are you doing bringing hay?
Well,
I didn't order any
There's one
hay.
called Maple Farm and Hunt Creek Farm. What's a farm with hay?
A vegetable farm?
Fair enough.
Where'd that tooth go? In your fucking...
On the seat.
On the seat. Nice call, cameraman. I still can't believe they didn't have any fucking bolts.
Yeah, I know, right? Kind of hacks are the tractors.
Don't go to TSC and Uxbridge. They don't have any fucking cultivator bolts. They got 9,000 different teeth. You just can't put them on with anything.
It's not bad for you.
Look at all the discs that I found. Oh, I thought I was gonna have to buy more.
I'm very glad you're starting to have that right.
10-4. Gotta drain the main vein. Don't clog it. Safety first.
Hey, do you have a torch in your pocket?
No, I took it out.
Oh. One.
Watch your nuts.
Hello. Wow. Okay.
I bet it took a lot more to make that, right?
No. Not really. No, I'm gonna want the plow to sit in front of that tire gap.
Preferably from the tire, yeah. Pretty much just line up that kind of close to the inside of the tire, right? The only thing that might be a problem, like we would plant it further up the inside. I guess I won't do that. Tire's almost too wide for this.
Almost.
The only thing you might get the inside of the tire rubbing up on the furrow, right?
So we're gonna add some sheet metal in there. I probably could get a piece of flat bar
Just kind of finish it.
and finish that. But that's kind of where we want it.
Yeah, yeah, they will. Yeah, because that's going to have to run on the inside, so less doesn't run up on the inside.
That'd be great. Look at that camera guy.
Hey?
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 It better fucking fit.
I don't know if
Now we just gotta drill 4 holes.
yeah. So the piece is coming down. We're just going to walk them right onto the side up here.
Actually, I was thinking I'm gonna notch it over this and then weld up both sides.
Kind of trying a little more straight too.
Whole lot straighter. It's gonna be a whole lot gooder.
Oh, very good.
Are you taking selfies while videoing?
Yeah.
You're some fucking camera guy, I tell ya.
That's good.
Well, this one's like butter. Super slippery.
Good and tight?
Oh, good and tight. There is a front and a back too. I have them labeled, but I don't think you can see the labels anymore.
They're both pretty close either way.
This one's complicated.
It looks like it.
Ooh. Do you like my beat straight?
Wow.
On that?
A little straight. Is it supposed to be handled so you can pick it up?
Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Go on. Oh, it's this thing. I forgot. The nuts are different.
Yeah, this level a little bit.
Not too much, that's good. Because then we'll load that. Take a little bit off that, I think. Should sit perfect on that. And then we'll just slam it down onto that.
Sounds good.
First. That one came out perfect.
Wow. This goes like that. Goes up.
Grinder and clean that. I'll clean that right now. Safety glasses! Oh, not much.
Oh, very good.
What?
Oh, nothing. Oh, look at the switch. Or turn the breaker, huh? We're good now.
Ow!
Guys, you want to get both the down pieces both on and then drop it?
Yeah, we'll get it packed on and then we'll slam it down.
Where's the other piece?
Hold on there.
Oh, that one.
There you go.
Thanks, camera guy. Yeah, I brought it for a reason.
Tack that front piece on, should be good.
Back already?
Yep.
Actually, now you can almost kind of bend that in and just walk back.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, we can tack on the back side. Just touch on the back.
Attack or what?
I'll tack because I'll be able to flip it down below. We'll have to do some filling.
I was meeting with an RBC advisor
Next
and
part,
I'm
the
like,
MIG welder up, just fill that in.
MIG water's fine.
I think RBC is offering that for everyone right now. I'm pretty sure I got a special deal. No.
Actually, I'll have to cut that right across there.
Alright boys, well, the combination between the camera dying and us having to leave, that's why the video kind of ended short of finishing the plow, but basically Jordan just ended up welding up all the rest of the plow when we left. So you guys really didn't miss that much because he had the collar quits early yesterday as well, but just kind of a quick update on stuff I got going on at home. I got those are the old Ford rims, and I got right there, it's basically it's a single cylinder 250 out of Moto Ski Cadet. It's like a Skidoo Land basically, but red. Nothing really too major. Just doing a new ignition system on the 250. I'm doing a Mikuni carb swap. That's it there. Basically just getting rid of the old Tilson carburetor with the pump built in. Just go to something nicer. But it doesn't really matter because there's not much snow left anymore, so. But anyways, that's it for today's video, and we'll see you guys next week at Jordan's again.